Here's how to solve Facebook video lag problem. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can exactly solve Facebook video lag problem. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just simply open up Facebook, and here we are. Now what you need to do is just go to your menu right over here in the corner. And once you're in menu, just go ahead and press on this gear icon on the top. And then you just gotta scroll down a bit until you see the option of media, and here we are. Just press on media, and right over here you might have in under the video quality you might have turned on data saver. So just go ahead and choose optimized. It may use more internet, but it will give you stable video and the video won't lag. And yeah, it actually depends on your internet as well. So if your internet is somewhat good, you can just use optimized and it will show no lag, no frame drops or anything, and it will fix your problem. But let's say your internet is not good, so what you can do is just simply check your internet. And by checking your internet, you can just type in speed and speed test, and there are many speed tests. You could check your internet speed test by them, and just go ahead and press on speed test and they will literally check your speed out and tell you. And if all of them don't work, just go to your settings, and once inside settings, just simply swipe down and go to general and then iPhone storage, and then find the app. And yeah, let me see. Where's Facebook? Yeah, there we are. Now you just gotta go ahead and press offload app and simply offload it, and your lag problem will be solved. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can solve Facebook video lag problem. I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.